guess what? This is Miss Lena again. And I just said hello to all of my subscribers, my new ones and the old ones, and my whole entire YouTube family. Hope all is well. So now I'm getting ready to do a potato au gratin. Okay, and I'm going to be using, I think I have 3, 4, I forgot my scripture. All right. My morning scripture is 1 John 4:15. Chapter 1, verse 4 through 15. 1 John chapter 4, 15th verse. Okay. Whosoever shall confess that Jesus is the Son of God, and God dwelleth in him, and he in God. So I thank you. 1 John chapter 4, verse 15. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting ready to get started now. And I will be using 2 cups of milk. A whole milk, I guess any kind of that you like to use. Okay, we had 6 medium potatoes. Okay, 2 cups of milk. And also 1 egg. And 4 tablespoons of butter. And I have also used, you use your black pepper and salt according to how you want it seasoned. But I've already put in 3 tablespoons of flour into 1 teaspoon of salt, into a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of salt. And what I use was the same Himalaya salt. And I'll be using the onion powder, garlic powder, and also the Himalaya. Okay. All right. So now I'm getting ready to stir in my flour into the 2 cups of milk.
And she already put an egg in there.
Okay, and I have 1 medium-sized onion that I'm putting in also, and I have the potatoes that we've already sliced in.
Y'all, sorry I have the camera on. Sherry put a garlic and onion powder on.
Okay.
Very tiny salt.
Okay. Now my onions will go.
Okay, now she's gonna put another layer of potatoes on.
All right, I'm gonna put another. Okay, now I'm going to be putting the seasoning back on. This is my garlic onion powder. Black pepper, okay. 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 Okay, I'm going to be pouring the milk in. And the butter. Okay.
All right, y'all. We sorry. The cheese should have been on the other layers, but anyway, we fixed that. So when you do yours, make sure you put a little cheese in between each layer. All right, thank you. Okay, she's putting the cheese on top of the. It's done. She just putting the cheese on it so it can cheese come out on it, and then it's ready.
Okay, now this is for the gratin potatoes, okay?
Potatoes are gratin.
Okay.
That's a big one.
That looks good. That's gonna be hot though.
Hot, hot.
Hot is right. Real hot. Okay.
Ooh, that look good. Oh my goodness.
I want some.
It looks real good.
Me too. That looks so real good.
This is gonna be too hot for y'all to taste, I think.
It is.
You don't have no hot mouth.
Granny, are you allergic?
You got to blow it.
No, Granny not allergic to water.
Hmm?
No, I'm allergic to water.
Yeah, come here.
Come on, go away.
No, he's not allergic to water either. Okay, come on.
Give me that spoon right there so I can put the bit out on there. The spoon might have cooked. Just give me this spoon, that's all.
What do you say, baby?
Here, y'all come on back in the camera so y'all can taste it.
Yeah. The cheese.
Yeah,
Where's your
potatoes
spoon?
are gratin.
Where's your spoon go? Glenn got it.
Wait a minute, hold it. Yes, you got to blow it. It's probably hot. There you go. It's hot. Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it.
She already blew it.
Okay.
It is hot, but it's not hot to me.
It's hot, but it's not hot. Okay. She said it's hot, but it's not hot. Okay.
How it taste?
Good.
So I'm going to take a little taste of them.
It tastes like eggs.
It tastes like what she
She
said?
said it tastes like eggs.
Like eggs? Okay.
Tastes like broccoli.
It tastes like cheese because there's cheese in it. Oh. That is good.
That's more.
You're gonna get some more. Granny finna cut the camera off so y'all can eat dinner.
Okay. This is so delicious. This can be another side for your holiday dinner.
Holiday. Today's holiday. Holiday. Holiday.
Put the spoon, Granny.
Today is holiday.
No, holiday will be Thanksgiving. That's 2 weeks from now. It will be. Okay. So and this is my closing out, and the kids, they loved it. And it's the potato agandi. Okay. And I thank you so much, all of my people that's looking. Thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.